Welcome, take a deep breath and relax. Today, we are beginning a complete blackhead removal and deep skincare cleaning session designed to cleanse, purify, and restore the skin gently and safely. This process is not rushed, every step is intentional, every movement respects the skin's natural balance. Blackheads form when pores become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. If not removed properly, they can lead to enlarged pores, dull skin, and inflammation. Our goal today is deep cleansing without damage. Step 1. Client skin assessment. Before touching the skin, we carefully observe. We look at pore size, oil levels, areas with congestion, sensitivity, or redness. This step ensures the treatment is customized and safe. Step 2. Hand and tool sanitization. Clean hands are essential. Hands and tools are thoroughly sanitized to prevent bacteria transfer. This protects the skin from infection and irritation. Step 3. Hair protection. Hair is gently secured away from the face. This keeps the treatment area clean and distraction-free. Step 4. Initial cleansing. Oil-based cleanser. We begin with an oil-based cleanser. This dissolves makeup, sunscreen, excess sebum. Gentle circular motions melt impurities without stripping the skin. Step 5. Second cleanse. Water-based cleanser. A mild water-based cleanser follows. This removes leftover residue and refreshes the skin. The face now feels clean but comfortable, not tight. Step 6. Warm towel compression. A warm towel is placed on the face. Heat helps soften blackheads and open pores naturally. The skin begins to relax and prepare. Step 7. Gentle exfoliation. A mild exfoliant is applied. Dead skin cells are loosened carefully. This allows blackheads to release more easily during extraction. Step 8. Steam therapy. Warm steam is directed toward the face. Steam softens hardened oil, opens pores, improves blood circulation. This step is crucial for painless extraction. Step 9. Skin reassessment. After steaming, the pores are visibly open. We reassess congestion areas, especially nose, chin, forehead. Step 10. Application of pre-extraction solution. A professional pre-extraction solution is applied. This helps dissolve sebum inside the pores. Extraction becomes smoother and safer. Step 11. Gentle pressure testing. Light pressure is tested to assess skin response. No force is used. If resistance is felt, we pause. Step 12. Manual blackhead extraction begins. Using wrapped fingers or a sterile extractor, pressure is applied evenly. Blackheads release slowly. Skin remains intact, no squeezing. No trauma. Step 13. Focus on nose area. The nose has the densest pores. Extra patience is used here. Each blackhead is removed individually. Step 14. Chin and jawline extraction. Chin blackheads are deeper. Pressure is applied carefully to avoid bruising. Skin integrity is always respected. Step 15. Forehead extraction. Forehead pores are smaller. We work gently to prevent broken capillaries. Step 16. Wiping and sanitizing between extractions. After each extraction, area is wiped clean. Tools are sanitized. This keeps bacteria from spreading. Step 17. Managing stubborn blackheads. Some blackheads resist. We never force them. Instead, we soften again or leave them for future sessions. Step 18. Cooling pores. The skin is allowed to rest briefly. This prevents inflammation buildup. Step 19. Application of soothing toner. A calming toner is applied. It removes residue and begins pore tightening. Step 20. High frequency or antibacterial treatment. Optional. This step kills bacteria and reduces redness. Skin feels calmer instantly. Step 21. Clay or charcoal mask application. A deep purifying mask is applied evenly. It draws out remaining impurities and absorbs excess oil. Step 22. Mask setting time. The mask rests for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the skin detoxifies and tightens pores. Step 23. Mask removal. The mask is gently removed with lukewarm water. Skin feels smoother and refreshed. Step 24. Cooling gel application. A cooling gel calms post-extraction sensitivity. Redness visibly reduces. Step 25. Hydrating serum. A lightweight serum penetrates deeply. It restores moisture lost during cleansing. Step 26. Facial massage. Optional. Gentle massage improves circulation. Lymphatic drainage reduces puffiness. Step 27. Pore tightening toner. This step seals the pores. It prevents dirt from re-entering. Step 28. Anti-inflammatory treatment. A calming solution reduces irritation. Skin feels balanced and cool. Step 29. Moisturizer application. A non-comedogenic moisturizer is applied. It locks in hydration without clogging pores. Step 30. Sunscreen. Daytime. Sunscreen protects freshly treated skin. This prevents pigmentation and damage. Step 31. Skin observation. We check for redness, swelling, sensitivity. Everything should appear calm. Step 32. Post-treatment advice. Client is advised, avoid makeup for 24 hours, do not touch face, avoid sun exposure. Step 33. Home care routine explanation. Proper cleansing twice daily is recommended. Harsh scrubs are discouraged. Step 34. Importance of hydration. Drinking water supports clear skin. Hydration helps prevent future blackheads. Step 35. Diet and lifestyle tips. Balanced diet reduces oil buildup. Sleep and stress management are essential. Step 36. Avoid pore clogging products. Heavy creams and oils can worsen blackheads. Choose non-comedogenic skincare. Step 37. Weekly maintenance mask. A gentle clay mask once a week maintains results. Step 38. Avoid over-exfoliation. Too much exfoliation damages skin barrier. Less is more. Step 39. Follow-up session planning. Severe congestion may require multiple sessions. Spacing treatments protect skin health. Step 40. Long-term skin improvement. With consistency, pores appear smaller, skin texture improves naturally. Step 41. Emotional comfort of skincare. Skincare is self-care. Relaxation improves skin healing. Step 42. Confidence boost. Clear skin enhances confidence and comfort. Step 43. Understanding blackhead prevention. Clean pores are easier to maintain than clogged ones. Step 44. Gentle is powerful. Aggressive treatments damage skin. Gentle care gives lasting results. Step 45. Respecting skin's natural cycle. Skin renews itself every 28 days. Patience is key. Step 46. Final skin touch check. Skin is smooth, calm, and balanced. Step 47. Deep breathing and relaxation. Client is encouraged to breathe deeply. Treatment concludes peacefully. Step 48. Cleanup and tool sterilization. All tools are sanitized thoroughly. Step 49. Session completion. The treatment is complete. Skin feels clean, refreshed, and renewed. Step 50. Closing words. Thank you for trusting this process. Healthy skin begins with gentle care, consistency, patience, and kindness to your skin will always bring the best results. Step 51. Post-treatment cooling phase. The skin now enters a recovery stage. A gentle cooling sensation helps calm microstress in the pores. This phase allows the skin to settle and breathe naturally. Step 52. Barrier repair focus. After extraction, the skin barrier needs support. A lightweight barrier repair formula is applied to strengthen protection. This prevents moisture loss and irritation. Step 53. Redness reduction observation. We carefully observe the skin for lingering redness. Any sensitive areas receive extra calming care. No pressure is applied, only soothing contact. Step 54. Targeted spot care. Areas that had deep blackheads are treated individually. A mild antibacterial solution prevents post-extraction breakouts. This step is precise and controlled. Step 55. Oil balance restoration. The skin is reminded not to overproduce oil. Balanced hydration signals the pores to relax. This reduces future congestion naturally. Step 56. Skin temperature normalization. The skin temperature gradually returns to normal. Warmth fades, leaving a calm and even tone. This indicates healthy circulation. Step 57. Touch sensitivity test. Light fingertip contact checks sensitivity levels. The skin should feel comfortable, not tender. Any discomfort is addressed immediately.